So there is another outstanding champs-related issue that needs the Mavericks' expert analysis and opinion. This act by Kingston College, Ugandan-born distance runner, Harry Rogers, of displaying and indeed wrapping himself in the Ugandan flag after winning the 5,000-meter event. Rogers paraded and celebrated and typically basked in the glory of winning his first and only gold medal at champs. And I don't have to tell you that a lot of people in Jamaica are having a problem with the young Ugandan parading around the national stadium draped in the flag of the country of his birth. I hear people saying, Ari diss Jamaica, and him diss KC, and him should have the Jamaican flag and the KC flag, and blah, blah, blah. One barrage of nonsense. How the devil is this youth living in a foreign country, going to school and competing and winning a race, and then wrapping himself in the flag of the country of his birth? How and why should that be a problem to us in Jamaica? And question, what if it was a Jamaican young sprinter attending school and competing in Africa and wins his first race at the championships in that country and then proceeded to wrap himself in the Jamaican flag? Would we have a problem with that? And would the Africans have a problem with that? And tell me this, Jamaica and the world generally, we don't have enough problems as is. So some people have to start invent problems and invent issues where there are none. Look here, man. Look here. You see like how you don't like that about draping a flag is a problem for you know? Someone will forget drape and throw a bush. Throw a gun and drape the flag. Throw a gun. Throw a gun.